This project had excellent alignment of precast panels and brick coursing. It also used 3D printing technology to create the punched openings in the precast panels for the windows. The blending of the bricks on this particular project was very well executed.
We chose this project because it was an excellent example of all precast concrete. We liked the fact that the structure looked to flow into the surrounding campus, and it also provided some energy efficiency through the insulated wall panels. It was very interesting to see how they implemented the new layout of the dormitory in the old footprint of the structure. The challenges that the judges saw that were solved by precast concrete were in the quick construction of the wall panels that simulated the layout of the brick. The precast showed excellent alignment of the brick and the panels themselves.